Okay, so we're not going to say what van this is, but Dan just called me out to show me something because it's so bad it's scary, but also incredibly amusing. So tell me, Dan, what is happening here?
So this is a three-way fridge that's in this.
Inside
So obviously
here,
it burns gas to cool the fridge. So it needs an exhaust. Now, this particular manufacturer has cut a hole in the side of the van here to fit the exhaust into, which I've had to remove because where I run my cables, I need to get access to the fridge cavity. But if you look in that hole, you can see that elbow that you can see in there is pointing the wrong way. So it's pointing inwards towards the fridge. So if you can picture, if that's the exhaust coming up, you would have an elbow which draws in the air and forces the gas out through the elbow, which this pipe connects to. When I've moved the fridge forward a little bit, I've looked in here, I've actually taken the exhaust off, because normally you need to take the exhaust off to get the fridges out. And I've had a look in here and I've gone, that exhaust is pointing the wrong way. So it's pointing backwards into the fridge cavity. So the exhaust was exhausting into the fridge cavity, not out through the exhaust.
Jesus.
Not good.